Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of browser on YouTube app. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of browser on YouTube, you should just go to settings. In the first page you can click on apps and you will enter to YouTube app. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end you can go to Play Store. You can go to this page and you will enter to search about YouTube app. When you will find update in this blue sign, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.